Hello, this is Sarah Brash. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to start off by saying please, if you haven't yet, please subscribe, like, comment, share my videos, my YouTube channel, and also please, I will have all of my fundraising links below. Please donate to my legal fund. Every dollar I raise right now is going directly to my wonderful attorneys at Randazza Legal Group. They are going to be back in court in September, fighting to restore due process and equal protection at Yale and everywhere. All right, so I have some very exciting news that I've already shared in other locations, including my Twitter, but I announced this on the Larry Glover live show, a radio show with Wilfred Reilly, the amazing professor and author, and he has written books about hate crime hoaxes, and he interviewed me on the Larry Glover live show, and it was so wonderful, so much fun. And I announced at the end of that segment with me being interviewed by Wilfred Reilly that I am connected to Amy Cooper from the Central Park Living While Black race hoax, and we are supporting one another, and we are teaming up, and we are fighting together to end woke KKK cancel culture and trial by Twitter without due process, and Living While Black and Me Too race and hate crime hoaxes. And I'm so thrilled, and I'm so excited, and I feel a million times better now. And now I have hope. I have real hope that she and I both are not only going to survive this Living While Black race hoax, this great racism scare that has this mass hysteria and this moment of cultural insanity that we are living through, and we are not just going to survive this, we're going to thrive, and we are going to succeed, and we're going to succeed in our fight for justice for us and for all victims of woke KKK cancel culture and trial by Twitter. And we are going to end cancel culture, we are going to end trial by Twitter, and I just could not be more thrilled. I love her. I support her 100%, and I love her. She and I both have ongoing legal efforts, and she's just amazing, and she's a godsend, and I can't say enough good things about her. And ultimately, well, we've already put out a call. We very much want to reach out to the other women, the other white women in particular, who were subjected to woke KKK cancel culture and trial by Twitter in the form of Karen's Gone Wild videos, viral videos, and in the form of also the grossly unconstitutional Karen laws that were passed across the U.S. in state legislatures and municipal legislatures. And there's one, they actually just referred to it, the politicians, the journalists just stupidly referred to the New York State Karen law as the Amy Cooper Act. That's how they referred to it. Just no shame whatsoever. They just referred to it as the Amy Cooper Act. So that shows that it's a grossly unconstitutional bill of attainder, which means when you legislate that that a person or an organization is a criminal without affording them a proper, fair trial according to the U.S. Constitution. And so we want to reach out. We've already reached out. Please, if you are someone who was also a victim of a Living While Black race or hate crime hoax, of woke KKK cancel culture, of trial by Twitter without due process, please get in touch with me via my blog. I have a contact page on my blog at sarahjbrosh.com. It's a WordPress blog. Please get into contact with us. What we're doing right now is we are forming a confidential support network for everyone, for all of us women who were victims of cancel culture and trial by Twitter and Living While Black and Me Too race and hate crime hoaxes. So that's what we're doing right now, and ultimately we do want to move into advocacy. We're considering establishing a nonprofit organization. We want to do all of that, but we know that not everyone, it might be too traumatic and too painful for some of the women to revisit what happened to them in a public way, and we completely understand and appreciate that, and we will fight for you when we get to the advocacy part. But right now we just want to form a confidential support network so that all of us who were victims of these hoaxes and of cancel culture and trial by Twitter and the Karen's Gone Wild viral videos, all of us who were victims of those events, that we can support one another and we can survive this, and we will not only survive, we will thrive. Okay, I'm gonna stop there for this video because I just wanted to do a bunch of shorter videos tonight, but I love you all so much, and I love Amy Cooper, and we are gonna win this fight for justice. Please, please donate to my legal fund. I will have all of my fundraising links below, and have a great night, everybody. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.